Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Naina Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown. Let's dive into the top stories making headlines today. The Forest Department conducted a significant eviction drive in Rangjuli Forest today, reclaiming approximately 9 bighas of land illegally converted into rubber gardens. The operation, led by Golpara's Assistant Conservator of Forests and the Regional Forest Officer of Rangjuli, was executed by the Khasibari Protection Reserve Force. The Assam government, through Assam Power Distribution Company Limited, has addressed and refuted common myths about smart meters. The government emphasized that smart prepaid meters offer substantial benefits, including improved energy conservation and cost efficiency. The spray thief gang has hit again in Dhing, Nagaon, raising alarm among residents. The latest attack occurred at Aunia Trisatra village, where Lakshmi Kant Bora and Bina Bora were rendered unconscious by the thieves. The Salaguri police are investigating the robbery amid heightened fears following recent claims of arrest of 4 gang members responsible for earlier spray tabs in the area. Assam BJP leader Mission Ranjan Das was officially sworn in as a member of the Rajya Sabha on Tuesday at the Parliament House. The oath was administered by Rajya Sabha Chairman and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. Das, a former MLA from Karimganj and current chairman of Assam State Transport Corporation, begins his new role as a Rajya Sabha member. The Central Young Mizo Association is preparing to incinerate a significant consignment of illegal drugs in Mizoram with state government approval. The haul includes heroin, methamphetamine, prescription drugs, cough syrups and ganja, substances that are either legally unseizable or lack sufficient grounds for case registration. Duer 8 Miss Vogue Star India 2024 will represent India at the Miss Global International Milestone Wall Pageant in Dubai this September. The event, running from the 11th to the 15th, marks a significant milestone in its pageantry career. In a breakthrough, the Forest Department captured the 5th wolf from the notorious pack of 6 during Operation Bheria on Tuesday morning. The wolf was apprehended near the Khakara River, where another wolf was previously caught. On Tuesday, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath distributed appointment letters to 647 newly recruited forest guards, wildlife guards and 41 junior engineers under the UPSSSC recruitment process. Mahavir Phogat, the Dronacharya award-winning coach, has voiced his disappointment over Vinesh Phogat's decision to enter politics. He believes she should concentrate on preparing for the 2028 Olympics instead. In Washington, D.C., Congress MP Rahul Gandhi highlighted India's unity in diversity, emphasizing the blend of languages, traditions and religions. He criticized the BJP and RSS for misinterpreting India's unity and clarified his position on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, stating, "I don't hate Narendra Modi. I disagree with his views but empathize with him at times." Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.
हाय प्रियंका, कैसी है?
हाय, बस तू कैसी है?
मैं भी बढ़िया। क्या बात है, नई स्कूटी लेने का सोच रही है?
हाँ यार, नई स्कूटी लेनी है, लेकिन मंगलदुई में कहाँ लूँ, किस पे भरोसा करूँ, पता नहीं ना यार।
अरे क्यों, श्री साई मोटर्स है ना, यहाँ तुझे अच्छी स्कूटी तो मिलेगी ही, साथ ही में अच्छे ऑफर्स और अच्छी सर्विसेज भी मिलेंगी।
फिर तो मुझे आज ही जाके लेना चाहिए श्री साई मोटर्स से स्कूटी, और फिर हम लोग चलेंगे लॉन्ग ड्राइव।
क्या आप अपने नए 2 व्हीलर की तलाश में है तो आज ही आए मंगलदोई भिभार घाट के श्री साई मोटर्स में। यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे बेहतरीन ऑप्शंस, शानदार ऑफर्स और भरोसेमंद सर्विस। अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें 9289922889 पर या 98649580557 पर। श्री साई मोटर्स, आपके भरोसे का नाम।